Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is F. Store.
G. 6.
Knight. F. 3.
D. 5.
G. 3.
Bishop. G. 7.
Bishop. G. 2.
Knight. H. 6.
Castle's kingside.
Castle's kingside.
D. 3.
C. 6.
A. Store.
Queen. B. 6. Check.
King. H. 1.
D. Captures on E. 4.
D. Captures on A. Store.
Bishop. Captures on B. 2.
Bishop. Captures on B. 2.
Queen. Captures on B. 2.
Knight. B. D. 2.
Queen. C. 3.
Knight. B. 3.
Knight. G. 4.
Queen. D. 3.
Queen. Captures on D. 3.
C. Captures on D. 3.
Knight. E. 3.
What? F. C. 1.
Rook. D. 8.
D. Store.
B. 6.
Knight. A. 5.
Knight. Captures on G. 2.
King. Captures on G. 2.
Bishop. B. 7.
King. F. 3.
F. 6.
Knight. C. Store.
Knight. A. 6.
King. A. 3.
Rook. A. C. 8.
A. 3.
C. 5.
D. 5.
F. 5.
A. Captures on F. 5.
Rook. Captures on D. 5.
F. Captures on G. 6.
H captures on G6.
H. Store.
King G7.
What? D1.
Knight C7.
What? Captures on D5.
Knight captures on D5. Check.
King F2.
Knight F6.
What? A1.
Knight G4. Check.
King G1.
King F6.
Knight B2.
Rook D8.
Knight A. Store. Check.
Bishop captures on E4.
What? Captures on A. Store.
Rook D3.
King G2.
Rook C3.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.